Hello everyone. This is the box, the plants I ordered from Orchid Trail, and I'm just gonna show you how it looked like before I really open them up. I'm gonna take them one by one out of the box, and because I only got one hand is in holding the camera and one hand, you know, working, so I have to pause and put them out ready for you. So all you have to do is, so you don't kill the time, and all you have to do is, you know, look at the plant instead of the unwrapping. So this is how they look like, still wrapped in newspaper. Actually, I only have two different variety of orchid in this box, but one of them, because to me it's rare, I don't see them a lot, and I don't believe I will find them that time, and then I found them in Orchid Trail, so I ordered 3 of this plant here. So I'm gonna unwrap it and show you what I got. Okay, so here they are, and this one has a lot of pseudobulbs in it. I don't know, I haven't counted it, but it's a lot. They tie it together. And this is Ancilia africana George. This is my second Ancilia africana, and I want a different variety, so I don't really have a picture of what George looked like. So yeah, but it looks like this one had flowered before. See, and lilies, I've seen one that flowered before. Yeah, I think they flowered before. So there's new growth here, and yeah, there's a lot of new growth. This one is a new growth there. Yeah, and that one there is a new growth. So we'll be expecting, yeah, new growth. That's good. We'll be expecting flower from then, and when it flowered, we'll be able to see what the flower looked like. Yeah, and so this is actually the reason why I ordered from them, because I thought this plant I won't see, you know, I won't see it. I saw it in a Colombian YouTube video, and their site used to call it entre flores. I think they call it now Alma de Vasque. I'm gonna put a link on that, and so if you're interested to look at it, but you know, I have dendrochilum I have 2 of them, and I think that 2 of them flowered, but I got 3. I have the Wenslei, which is a different kind of dendrochilum because of its leaves like grass, but I have the magnum, and then the cobianum, I think that's what it's called. So this one I thought I won't find, and because I search and search and I couldn't find it. So to me, this is kind of rare to me. So this is Dendrochilum cottesi. He pronounced it cottesi. The one in the one that's I saw the video. He's Latino. I watched his video, and I only understand very little Spanish, but I look how they work and what the materials they use, and I able to understand a little bit of it. But yeah, this is where I found this from their site. I look at it and I search and search, and I couldn't find it, and I was excited when I saw it in Orchid Trail. So this one here is 25 each, this tiny plant here, so I end up buying 3 of them just in case. So the Magnum and the Cobianum dendrocalum, they it's doing well for me. So yeah, so I thought I'm gonna have to have this, or I won't find it anymore. So this is the flower is different. I think this is the most beautiful flower of all the dendrocalum to me anyway, because the flower has like a twirling, like a it goes around the um, flower stem. It's so pretty, and I think this is the one that's to me the top of all the dendrocalums. So when I saw it, I have to have it. I'll put a picture, but you can also watch the video of and well, I'm used to calling them entreflores, but I think Alma de Vasque, something like that. I can remember the name entreflores right away. It's easier for me, but the one that I don't know why they changed their YouTube name, but yeah. So hopefully this will grow for me. I have to put it out where they can adjust first to my environment before repotting them. So this is the second box that I ordered from Orchid Trail. I thought I'm gonna put 2 unboxing in one video since the first one was a short one. And yeah, it looks like there's a flower in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out and show you what's inside. So as you can see, there's 4 plants here. So to cut the time, I'm just gonna off camera open them up, because sometimes I have to really get the tape out, because they really tape it sometimes. So and then I'm just gonna show you what's once already it's open. So here it is, guys, the plants. I brought it here in the pergola, and the big one there in the wrap was this one. Actually, I have this already, a very small one from Hauserman, and I thought I saw this in their site from Orchid Trail, and it's a 6-inch pot, so I thought I'm just gonna get a bigger one, because this one is actually a miniature flowers. So this is the name. Let me see, there's 2 names there. It's Hawera Puanani Lava Burst, so it's the same name there. It's that red tiny flowers, and it loves moisture, but they got it here open in the basket with lots of roots. Yeah, it's a lot of roots there that needs to be moistened, but it's gonna be raining here, so yeah, it's gonna get some rain to its roots. So that's the big one, and then the next one, let's go to the small one. I've been wanting to get this since last year. Kailokista from Nate's Orchid, but I haven't got to it yet. And there's also an interesting plant there that I wanted. But then I saw this from Orchid Trail, and I think 25. So I thought maybe I'll just get a cheaper one, small one, see how it goes in my environment, and if it's not gonna make it, then at least I don't lose a lot. So yeah, so this one, Lunifera, Calocista lunifera, has a red, let's see, it has a small red flower. Yeah. And then the next one is this one here. It I got it with already blooms in there. It's almost out, but it's a yellow fragrant kind of green tinge with a brown there flower. And yeah, this is Certopodium. And Todd, I finally decide that I'm gonna get it. This Todd's from Todd's Tropical have this too, and because he mentioned that this will have thorns in the side, that yeah, when it dries up. But yeah, I'm still interested to it, so I got it from them. So this is Certopodium polyphyllum, native in Brazil, I believe. And yeah, it's got the owner's tag there. It's got his name. So yeah, this is the media fern. Yeah, but they like moisture just like Catasetum, I believe. And this, yeah, this likes to be watered. So this is my Certopodium from them. And my fourth one is this one. This is my first Gongora. One of my viewers commented that he has Gongora. I think Justin Hicks, and he loves his Gongora. So when I saw Orchid Trail has a Gongora, and the name is let's see here, and it's got 5 bulbs. It says Gongora aromatica. That makes me think it should smell good, and orange. It's an orange color. So yeah. So Justin, yeah, you got me to get this Gongora, and hope it will thrive for me. This also likes moisture, like the Stanhopia, I believe. Yeah. And yeah, it's got nice leaves. It's probably getting a lot of sun from the nursery, that's why it's kinda yellow green. But yeah, it's a nice plant. So this is it, guys. The one in the back is from my first box from Orchid Trail. Yeah. Ancilla africana is the one there, George, and the Tridendrochilum cottesi. Yeah, that's hard to find. So yeah, so this is it, guys. I finally got my plants, and hope they will thrive for me. And thank you very much for watching. Bye now.